The price of gold dropped more than 6% Monday, racking up its worst two-day loss in 30 years. Analysts speculated on what caused the dramatic drop.
You've got this kind of perfect storm, guys, where you've got a situation with the China slowdown on top of this Cyprus issue that's really putting pressure on the gold stocks as well as some of these other commodities.
Cyprus just announced plans to sell 40 tons of gold. This perfect storm is so rare, a Fox analyst had to reach into his memory bank to recall a similar industry drop.
A long time since I saw any market, significant market, dump 8–10% in a single day.
Yeah,
individual stocks, yes, but an entire gold market, I've not seen that for a long, long time.
An ounce of gold currently costs nearly $1,400. It was up to as high as $1,560 in the middle of March. Goldman Sachs cut its end-of-the-year prediction for gold last week by $150 and advised clients to not only sell gold, but short it as well.
Where is the growth? Where's the great story that's going to drive demand for commodities? Maybe it's Brazil, maybe it's India, but there's not enough there to really spur the kind of demand you need to get prices moving higher from here.
A writer for CBS says the time for gold is running out, calling it a lousy investment compared to stock in a company. It doesn't produce anything. Companies produce things that people need and enhance their lives. They provide profits, and owning stocks owns that wonderful global capitalism. My gold has barely kept up with inflation, meaning that it returned nothing in real terms. But one economist notes an investment in gold 10 years ago could have already yielded a more than 400% return, and the current monetary policy makes gold a long-term winner. It's just simple supply and demand 101. This is a far less complicated issue than many economists will have you believe. It has to do with the amount of money in the supply versus the finite, unchangeable amount of gold available worldwide. Other metals, including silver, platinum, and copper, were all hit hard by the heavy selling Monday. For Newsy, I'm Lauren Goris.